Important GK MCQs. 1. Death Valley in California, USA is so called because of A. It is highly polluted area on Earth. B. It is extremely cold region on Earth. C. One of the hottest places in the world. D. The existence of a large number of volcanoes. Answer C. To identify the largest ocean. A. Pacific Ocean. B. Atlantic Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. Answer A. 3. Mediterranean Sea is connected to the Atlantic Ocean by the A. Strait of Gibraltar. B. Bering Strait. C. Davis Strait. D. Dover Strait. Answer A. 4. Caribbean Sea is linked with the Pacific Ocean by the A. Suez Canal. B. Panama Canal. C. Sunda Strait. D. None of the above one. Answer B. 5. Sea of Japan is famous for A. Oil reserves. B. Mineral water. C. Fishing area. D. Icebergs in water. Answer C. 6. Red Sea is between A. Arabia and Africa. B. Turkey and Russia. C. China and Japan. C. Germany and Scandinavia. Answer A. 7. Alexandria is a seaport of A. Greece. B. Egypt. C. Iran. D. Germany. Answer B. 8. Bering Strait separates Asia from A. America. B. Africa. C. Australia. D. None of the above one. Answer A. 9. The longest mountain range in the world is A. Karakoram. B. Alps. C. Andes. D. Hindu Kush. Answer C. 10. Cyprus is an island in the A. Mediterranean Sea. B. South China Sea. C. Red Sea. D. Caribbean Sea. Answer A. 11. Which of the following country shares the water of Caspian Sea? A. Russia. B. Iran. C. Azerbaijan. D. All the above. Answer 12. Palk Strait separates India from A. Sri Lanka. B. Maldives. C. Bangladesh. D. None of the above one. Answer A. 13. Dixon is a seaport of A. Italy. B. Malaysia. C. South Africa. D. Norway. Answer B. 14. Lake Superior is A. The world's deepest freshwater lake. B. The world's largest freshwater lake. C. The world's largest saltwater lake. D. None of the above. Answer B. 15. Seattle is a seaport of A. China. B. USA. C. Germany. D. Canada. Answer B. 16. Which of the following strait separates Italy from Sicily? A. Sunda. B. Messina. C. Bonifacio. D. Johor. Answer B. D. Sutlej. Answer D. 19. Which of the following is the smallest sea? A. South China Sea. B. Arabian Sea. C. Sea of Marmara. D. Caribbean Sea. Answer C. 20. Which of the following river is located in Iraq? A. Lena. B. Oxus. C. Volga. D. Euphrates. Answer D. 21. In which of the following country Victoria Falls is located? A. Canada. B. Zimbabwe. C. USA. D. Venezuela. Answer B. 22. Which of the following waterfalls is located between America and Canada? A. Victoria Falls. B. Ribbon Falls. C. Niagara Falls. D. Angels Falls. Answer C. 23. Identify the world's largest dam. A. Aswan. B. Kiv. C. Tarbela. D. Mangala. Answer C. 24. In which of the following region New Zealand is situated? A. Europe. B. South America. C. Caribbean. D. Oceania. Answer D. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more useful information.